Welcome back to the chapter Quadratic Equations for Standard 10. Now we are going to solve this method, solve the quadratic equation using the method of completing the squares. So the equation is 9x squared minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have certain steps. So if you follow that step, it is very easy to do this problem. The first step is we have to make the coefficient of x squared as 1. So for that we have to divide throughout by 9. So x squared minus 15 by 9x plus 6 by 9 equal to 0. So dividing throughout by 9. So this will become 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 equal to 0. And next is we have to bring the constant to the right side. So this x squared minus 5 by 3x equal to minus 2 by 3. So shift the constant to right hand side. Now the next step is adding you have this coefficient of x and then square it. So here the coefficient of x is 5 by 3 divided by 2 is 5 by 6, then square it. Divide the coefficient of x by 2 and then square it. So 5 by 6, so the squaring it will be 25 by 36. So you add it and add on both sides. So x squared minus 5 by 3x plus here it will be 25 by 36 is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. So this will become, this is actually x minus 5 by 6 the whole squared. If you expand it and see, it is x squared, then 25 by 36, now 2 into x into 5 by 6. So it will become 5 by 3x. So this is equal to, now simplifying this, minus 24 plus 25, so it's 1 by 36. So x minus 5 by 6 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 36, that is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. Now x minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. From this you will get x is equal to 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. X minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So x is equal to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. So the roots of x are 1 and 2 by 3. So just follow these steps, then you can, it is very easy to get the answer. First you have to make the coefficient of x squared as 1. So divide the coefficient of x squared throughout, then shift the constant to the right hand side, then divide the coefficient of x by 2 and then square it, and then add that number on both sides. So this you will get it as a perfect square. Like if suppose this was x squared plus 5 by 3x, then you have to write this as x plus 5 by 6 the whole square, and the remaining things are same. Now once you get come here, you get plus or minus 1 by root 6. So you should equate x minus 5 by 6 to 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 separately. You will get 2 roots. Now show that the equation 4x squared plus 3x plus 5 has no real roots. So again we will use the same method. So x squared, so 4x squared plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So I will divide throughout by 4 and also shift the constant also to the right hand side. So x squared plus 3 by 4x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Then divide the coefficient of x by 2. So it becomes 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 the whole squared. So it will become x squared plus 3 by 4x plus 3 by 8 the whole squared is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 64. So this will become x plus 3 by 8 the whole squared is equal to 64. So you will get this as 71 by 64. So x plus 3 by 8 is equal to get this as minus 71 by 64. So x plus 3 by 8 is equal to plus or minus root of minus 71 by 64. So square root of a negative number, it becomes a complex number. So it does not have real roots. Therefore the equation has no real roots. So here this is the equation. Now we'll solve it again by the method of completing of squares. So first we'll make this coefficient of x squared as 1. So minus 3abx by a squared. I will also shift this to the right hand side. So 2b squared by a squared. So now this will become 3. So this is 3b by ax is equal to 2b squared minus 2b squared by a squared. Now half of this, it will become 3b. So 3b by 2a, square it. So it becomes 9b squared by 4a squared. So x squared minus 3b by ax plus 3b by 2a the whole squared is equal to minus 2b squared by a squared plus 9b squared by 4a squared. So this will become x minus, this is minus, so x minus 3b by 2a the whole squared is equal to, taking the LCM 4a squared, so minus 8b squared plus 9b squared, so b squared by 4a squared. So x minus 3b by 2a is equal to square root of plus or minus b squared by 4a squared. So that is equal to plus or minus b by 2a. Now x minus 3b by 2a is equal to b by 2a. So you will get x is equal to b by 2a plus 3b by 2a. So it will become 4b by 2a, that is equal to 2b by a. Now equating x minus 3b by 2a is equal to minus b by 2a. You get it as x is equal to minus 3b by 2a minus b by 2a. So 2b by 2a is b by a. So the values are 2b by a and b by a.